In the step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how to make $5 for every 10 seconds worth of work with no skills, experience, or investments. Now, just before I show you everything, if you'd like this type of content and you'd like to see more, support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. But before we start, subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. With all that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. So the site in question that we will be using today to make a lot of money online is called Spritzy.com. This is a site you might have heard of before. But if you haven't, you can see right here what it's for. Make your video go viral. Our platform is simple and easy to use. We put your video in front of the right audience to ensure that your video is seen to get big results with even the smallest budget. So as you've just heard, this, in essence, helps with your video popularity. So this tool is perfect for people who are struggling to get views on their videos and want more exposure. As simple as that. Now, something I love about this tool, guys, are paid views. As you can see, we have a 4.9 stars rating right here, with some giant companies being showcased, such as Google, Honda, and so on. And it's not just on their homepage, and the reviews are amazing. If you come over to Trustpilot.com, you'll see that it has fantastic reviews on here as well, with 4.7 stars and over 300 reviews. Just over 80% of people rated it as excellent. And only a total of 8% have rated it as a man. So it's a very legitimate platform, guy, and nice reviews will be very important for us. But it's not because we will be using Spritzy.com. So don't worry, you won't be like creating YouTube videos and then using Spritzy.com to get views, nothing like that. Anyways, how Spritzy.com exactly helps you get us on YouTube, you can see right here. You first off, tell Spritzy.com what kind of audience you want to target. This, of course, depends on the type of video you're creating, whether they're gaming videos, funny videos, or others. What happens from there is Spritzy.com does all of the work. They will use YouTube ads, as you can see right here, to advertise and promote your videos to people who will want to view them. And of course, the result is more views, subscribers, and engagement. As I said here, further down, you will see who is working with Spritzy.com at the moment. And just below that, you can see that would niche the channel, it doesn't matter whatsoever. In any case, you now know how this tool works, which was important for me to explain and show to you guys. I will skip going over all the other stuff showcased on their homepage. But of course, if you're interested, feel free to read it all. What you need to do on here is scroll down to the bottom of the page, and then click on the affiliate program. That will now take you straight over to this page. We will indeed be promoting Spritzy.com as an affiliate. And the main reason is simply that a lot of people need this amazing website. YouTube is one of the most popular platforms with nearly 14 million different YouTube channels out there. This is very important, guys, because this means that you have an endless pool of people who will need Spritzy.com. In other words, you have an endless pool of potential customers. And this is very important with affiliate marketing. Because if nobody wants to use this site you're promoting, then you can make money. As simple as that. Now, with that big upside, there is a bit of downside to Spritzy.com's affiliate programs, which I have to mention, and that is the fact that it only offers 20% commissions, which isn't a lot. But I think the sheer number of customers more than makes up for it. In any case, what you now need to do is simply sign up to their affiliate program by entering in your first name and your last name, your email address, your password. Click on I'm not a robot right here, tick this box. And click on sign up now to create your account. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Once you do, you want to grab that affiliate link from there. With that done, your next step now is to come over to docs.google.com and you want to click on blank right here. From there, you want to write a guide of some sort of growing a new YouTube channel, and in this guide you will also tell people about the site that will be of immense help to them, like I have down below, and leave your affiliate link next to it so people can go check it out. Now, in case you don't know what to write, particularly, Just use Google, guys, and search for something along the lines of how to grow a YouTube channel. And from all of these pages, you want to find a few of the most common tips they give up, and you will want to give out the same tips in your guide. And as I said, we'll also leave the link Spritzy.com here as well. Now, we will be giving this guide out to people for absolutely free. And not only will this help them, since these are proven steps that they need to understand to grow, but we will also be getting quite a few clicks when you click on that affiliate link, which will make us a lot of money. And this is precisely whspritzy.com. Amazing reviews come in. You can mention the reviews in the guides as well. But in any case, when people need to come onto their site and see the reviews, they will be more willing to do that, since now they have the assurance that they're not wasting their money, and that it will pay off. So the reviews help out a ton when you're promoting something as an affiliate. Anyways, back to Google Docs. What you need to do when you finish this guide is grab its link. And to do so, click on Share right here. From there, you'll need to click on Change to anyone with the link so that anyone who clicks on this link will be able to view this guide, and only then you will click on the Copy link to copy. After that, I will show you exactly where to find potential customers, and Facebook groups are where we will be finding them. So you want to type in YouTube growth, YouTube channel growth, or something like that. And then select groups right down here. This will now show you all the groups relating to YouTube that you will then want to join. And as you may guess, we will be giving away that guide to the members, and those members who you know will need Spritzy.com since they are part of groups. However, here's the thing. If you post something on here that looks like an ad, people will automatically just call past it without even bothering to check it out and whatsoever. And in that way, you won't be getting any clicks on your affiliate link. And so what you need to do is write a script similar to this one right here. He wants to write something along the lines of, I will help people grow their YouTube channels with a step-by-step guide for free. To participate, send this post and type did, I will send it to you. Now it doesn't have to be 50 people per se, it can be 100, 150, 200 people, it doesn't matter. The point is that you want to create a sense of urgency with the members. And doing that will result in more wanting to check out your guide. When they started liking the posts and commenting on them, you will send them your Google Docs link. From there, you will start making a lot of money in passive income since your posts will remain on that page forever. Alternatively, you can talk to the individual members of the group instead of leaving a post. This is a slower and harder but more effective method to get clicks through your link. Tell people about the amazing reviews of Spritzy.com. Just go through all of its features and how it gets people's views, and people will be willing to check it out, and you will be able to make a lot of money. Anyways, this is it for today's video. As always, if you liked it, if you're enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And that's it. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.